All right, so what we're going to work on here is learning target that says, I can calculate and interpret the average rate of change over a specified interval. Fix this setting there we go. What we're going to do is look at this table. It says, what is the average rate of change between 0 and 2? So we're looking at between 0 and 2, and we're looking for the average rate of change. Okay. So to find rate of change, we've learned that we need to take the change in the y divided by the change in the x. Looks like that, change of y divided by change of x. And we're looking for the average between 0 and 2. So because it's using the word average, then I'm just going to go straight from 0 to 2. That is an increase of 2. And that is on our x variable. So that goes down here at the bottom. The change in the x is 2. And we're looking at the change in the y in that same interval. So between 0, we go from 3, and then when we're at 2, we're at 12. So 12 minus 3 gives us 9. That's the change in the f of x, also known as the y. Okay, so the function of x is also known as the y. So that change there is 9. Okay, the average change, when I simplify that out, find that unit rate, ends up being 4.5 for every 1. The average rate of change in that interval is 4.5 for every 1. Now if I look here, I've got a key and it says x is standing for the time in seconds and y is standing for the number of flies. So in order to be an advanced proficient, you want to make sure that you're going back and including those variables. Your answer would say 4.5 seconds, not seconds, we're at y, y is for flies. 4.5 flies for every 1 second. And you might write something that says something like, the flies increase by 4.5 every second. That would be a really terrible situation right there. But that might be your final answer. Okay? Looking at the second one. It says, what is the average rate of change between 1 and 4? So same question, and we're going to use the same table, but this time we're looking at the average rate of change between 1 and 4. Okay? This is increasing from 1 to 4, that's increasing by 3. And then this is increasing at that same interval there. 48 minus 6 is plus 42. Okay, so when I do my change of y divided by my change of x, that equals 42. And divide that by 3. And just to make sure I'm sure here, checking that, that is 14 for every 1. 14 what? Well, what is y standing for? Y is standing for flies. 14 flies for every 1 second. Okay, there you go.